So here is another example of a quadratic trinomial and factorization by middle term splitting. I have deliberately taken numbers where there's an expression where there is minus in it. Okay, so let's start with it. So we understand this is in the format of ax square plus bx plus c. It is in the same format. You can see there is a square, means the power is 2. It is a quadratic expression and there are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. So it is a quadratic trinomial. So your first step is to identify A, B and C. So what is A? So very clearly A is 2. It is positive 2. So I'm going to write 2 here. What is B? Very clearly it is 17, but always write along with the sign. So it is negative 17. Again I'm repeating, along with the sign. It is minus 17. Similarly, what is C? It is minus 30. Okay, this is very important to write along with the sign. Okay, now we go to the second step, which is to write AC, that is A multiplied by C. So what is my A? It is 2 multiplied by what is my C? It is minus 30. So I get minus 60. And what is my B? It is minus 17 from here. Okay. Now your third step is to take minus 60 and we are going to split it. Okay. Let's keep the minus for later. For now we will only write the factor pairs. What are we going to write? Factor pairs. So start with 1. So I can write 1 and 60. 2 and 30. 1 multiplied by 60 gives me 60. 2 multiplied by 30 gives me 60. 3, 20. Then that can be 4 and 15. 5 and 12. 6 and 10. So these are all the factors. इसके आगे कोई factors नहीं मिलता है. These are the factors जिसको multiply करने पे मुझे 60 मिलेगा. Now from these factors I have to select one pair जिसको add और subtract करने पे मुझे 17 मिलना चाहिए. Add और subtract करने पे. So if I add this I get 61. If I subtract I get 59. So that is not possible. If I add I get 32. If I subtract I get 28. I cannot take. If I take 3 and 20. On adding I get 23. But when I subtract, don't I get 17 here? Don't I get 17 here? So my most appropriate pair is 3 and 20. अभी आप पूछ सकते हो दीदी इसमें 17 नहीं आ रहा है. So let me show you how we can get it. So let me write 3 and 20 here. So in this also we are going to try multiple options. दोनों को positive डालो. When I put both of them positive 3 and positive 20, when you add you get positive 23. Suppose I put both of them negative. So minus and minus, what do? I have to add again. I get negative 23. But लेकिन मुझे क्या चाहिए? Negative 17 चाहिए. I've still not got what I want. So I will put one negative and the other one positive. ठीक है? The one negative and one positive minus करना है. I got 17 and sign of the greater number. अरे बाबा plus 17 I got. But I want minus 17. You will try one more time. You will make this positive and this one negative. Plus and minus, what do? I do minus and it takes the sign of the bigger number. Got it? So my first I selected 3 and 20. Usme bhi I tried putting plus plus, first option, minus minus, second option, minus plus, third option, plus minus. So you can try all these 4 options and you will select the one in which you will get minus 17 as an answer. So my best option is plus 3 and minus 20. Is that clear now? Now I'm going to rewrite the expression again. That is 2x square minus 17x minus 30. And I'm going to split it as plus 3x and minus 20x. Got it? I'm going to rewrite it as 2x square plus 3x minus 20x minus 30. This is your fourth step. So what is my fifth step? My fifth step is, I'm going to write it again here. Minus 30. I'm going to factorize two terms. पहले 2 term, next 2 term. तो इसमें क्या common है? 2 or 3 they don't have anything common. So मेरा common factor x ही है. So I'm taking x out. If one x goes out, what is remaining here? 2 and यहाँ से एक x. I'm putting the plus sign here. यहाँ से x निकल गया तो there is 3 here. Got it? Now you make sure that when I do factorization, यहाँ का जो bracket में है, there also I must get 2x plus 3 only. Only then your answer is correct. Only then your factorization is correct. अभी 20 और 30 के बीच में what is common? Very simple. 10 is a common factor. So I'm going to take 10 outside. Let me put the same minus here itself. Okay. Now in this, if 10 goes, so 10 how many times is 20? It is 2. And there is an x here. इसको हमने common factor नहीं निकाला है. Then now I have told you before also, जब बाहर when outside minus comes, अंदर का जो साइन से उल्टा हो जाता है. Okay, for example, this is minus, it has become plus here. This is minus, it will become a plus here. Okay, so now 30, how many times 10 is 30? So 10 3s are 30. So I will write the 3 here. Got it? So can you see I got the same thing inside? 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. So my factorization is correct. Now the final answer I am going to write. First I will write 2x plus 3 only one time. And I'll open a bracket and write the next two. That is x from here. X. Then this minus 10 from here. This is your answer. Got it? This is how you do factorization even when there are negative terms. So remember, when I do negative terms, very important, when you take B, you have to take the negative. When you take C, also take the negative. ठीक है? Multiply करने पे भी negative के साथ ही multiply करोगे. Then इसको split कर रहे हो and you find the most appropriate one, जिसको add या subtract करने पे मुझे 17 मिल रहा है. Then this is very important. Very important. We will try plus plus, minus minus, minus plus, plus minus and see in which of the options am I getting minus 17. So this is my option. Do the splitting, do the factorization of two terms and write the answer. Thank you.